Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Curses can be instructive. Mere enjoyment is the product of false prestige. It is, by the grace of the sages and devotees, that we ever get the opportunity for authentic spiritual teachings. Those that captivate attention are considered controllers. Experience and knowledge of different cultures is essential in religious rulings. We need to be careful of the inner attitude for even outer perfection. Speech connects heaven and earth. Punishment can clear unworthiness. Unplanned remembrance still holds its merit. Higher merit is planned. Fated means that divinity knows beyond time and is personally present in the details. Then, the sent one of the time and place can import of such as prophecy. Love of divinity and the sent one increases love of one's own. In the Quran, there's Surah 3, Ayat 31 and 32, and to reference our last program, we also have the same principle in Surah 9, Ayat 24. All the plants, animals, people, and elements are as murti, embodiments. Speculation will never amount to knowledge or realization. Philosophy is limited to causal reference. Illusion and delusion are as the hell realms. Lack of consciousness is of body and mind, but not the soul. Sometimes worship is not in rituals or scriptures, but in following along in regular life and being present. Even the lawful and wholesome are what the demons will try to join us in, but we can address the past heedlessness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.